Hello, today I'm going to be going over navigating a database and conducting research. So the Writing Center's purpose is to make people better writers. We aren't going to check your papers and show you the right answers. We're going to guide you there. We're going to make you better writers, and we're going to give you the tools and guide you towards the right path. Conducting research is the most important part when it comes to your paper. You have to figure out your sources. You have to figure out what you're going to write about. You have to figure out what you're trying to answer. So you have to gather all this information, and the way you gather this information comes with going through databases. Today I'm going to show you how to access the EPCC database. So first you have to go to the website epcc.edu/services and libraries. Once you reach the website, you have to go down and click on online databases. Once you have reached the libraries webpage, it'll show you a welcome tab, which tells you that you need your EPCC login, and you could use this outside of the EPCC campus. And on top, you're going to have all these tabs that have to do with research. So depending on what you have to research, you will click on the tab. So you have to research social sciences, you click on social sciences. If you have to research education, you click on education. But for the most part, you could use general, as that will supposedly have everything you need. Once you click general, you will have a bunch of databases you can access. So under the title, it gives you a little information about it. So let's click on the first one, Academic OneFile. Here in the Gale Academic OneFile, you have many options. You could get 3 search bars, and you could search whatever, but you could use these to specify your search more. So if you search for politics, you will get broad results. So make sure to fill up the other tabs. And under here, you have more options. You have a full text document. You want to make sure this one's clicked because it'll show you the whole thing, not just a portion of it. You can also click peer-reviewed journals, and this means that other scholarly people reviewed whatever somebody wrote and kind of agreed that it's actually scholarly. And then you have document that contains images. So here it's just you want to make sure that the document contains images. And you also have publication dates. You can make sure it's up to date, because some teachers require you to have up-to-date material. They won't accept something from 1960s. They want something that's recent. So let's go ahead and search for politics, and it's going to give us a broad search. So here you see it searched 62,215 journals that have to do with politics. And out of those, there's also 94,000 magazines, 982 books, 1 million news, images, videos, and audio. And all these you could use for your paper. Also, it shows you the author right next to the article title, the author, where it's from, and it tells you if it's a brief article, and it shows you the word numbers, and it also gives you a tiny little description. So you want to make sure and read that and make sure it has to do with your paper. So let's click on the first one. So here it's going to show you the paper and basically everything you need to know. It's going to show you the author, the publisher, the date, the words. If you want to use this article, you could translate it. You could change the font size, you could listen to it, and it shows you everything. And the most important part is if you want to cite it, you could go ahead and move to the right, and it's going to show you the little citation thing here. So you click on this, it's going to give you the option to copy it in MLA, APA, and Chicago format. All you got to do is click on it, copy paste it, and you're good. And that's your citation, and it's really simple. This is one of the advantages to using the EPCC database. It already has the citations for you, and not only that, it's also scholarly, and your teachers will accept this, and they require you to have these kind of sources. It's really important for you to use these sort of sources for your papers.
Online writing assistance is available via the EPCC Writing Center website. You can meet one-on-one with a tutor virtually on Blackboard Collaborate. Audible and written feedback is also available via email submission. Please visit the Writing Center website for more information and operating hours.